Yes, beta. Okay, let me give you polynomials advanced questions.
Sir, you mostly give related to alpha, beta, those
One second
like
question.
alpha.
Yes. I know that many of your and I think people were giving. I mean, people were talking about that alpha beta question. But उसमें कुछ नहीं है. Like, it's a very simple question. But that type of questions are very important for JEE mains. That type of questions only important for
Yes, sir.
JEE mains. Okay, ठीक है. So 1 minute. Let me write a question. Okay. I think we have solved this question. Okay. Huh. If alpha, beta, gamma on the demand of students, this question I'm giving you here. Who's that? Balaji? Tell me, Balaji. Balaji. Balaji, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, you're saying something.
Nothing, sir.
Yes. See, you have to be so active in the class, okay? Sorry,
Okay, sir.
what Sari is saying like this? I'm not liking this. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna come. It shouldn't be like this. Okay, you have to be so active. I'm making comfortable. I'm making my intention to call your name again and again is to talk in the class, so present in the class. All right? Yes. So
Okay,
option
sir.
A. Option A here. 2/5. Option B 5/2. Option C -2/5. Option D -5/2. Getting my point? Yes. Let's begin this. Yukta, have you joined Yukta?
Sir, got the answer.
Okay.
Sir, it is option B. Option A, sir. Option A.
Don't tell the answer openly, please. Great. You, Krishna, Kavya, Shreyan gave the answers. Okay. Let's see how many of you. Harini ji, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Solve this question.
So it is option A, sir.
See, those who do not know, they may tell that IDK message.
Sir. Sir, I have a doubt in this question.
Those who are not getting, please put a message called IDK. It's fine, completely fine, no problem at all. You know, messaging like that is never gonna be a problem. If you are not messaging like that, that is going to be a problem. But messaging IDK is not gonna problem. Please. Okay, look at this here. Time up. Very simple question, beta. Look at this here. Alpha comma beta comma are the roots of this one. Then the value of this is what? See here, you have how we have to think here is 3 roots has been given.
LCM.
So it is
It
a
is equal
cubic
to
polynomial.
alpha beta plus beta
One
gamma
second,
plus
one
gamma
second,
alpha
one
upon
second.
alpha beta gamma.
Yes, it is a cubic polynomial, right? So whenever it is a cubic polynomial, beta, we'll be having 3 roots. Sum of these roots is what? Minus b by a. Okay.
Minus b by.
So minus b minus as it is. B is what here?
Minus 3 by 4.
3 by 4. Correct. Now product of the roots is what? Minus
C, minus d by.
minus d by a. Okay. Now look at this here.
Say?
Look at here, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. This is c by
C
a,
by
correct? C by a. What is c here? Minus 2 by a.
Minus 2,
4.
minus 2 by a.
Minus 1 by 2, correct?
Minus 1. 1 by 2.
Okay. Now see here, the sum of the roots. This is sum of the roots. This is sum of the product of the 2 roots at a time. Look at this, alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha. I'm taking product and summing, adding them. 2 roots at a time, alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha, like that. Next, product of the roots is what? Alpha beta gamma,
D
which
by
is
A.
minus d by a. What is that? Minus
Minus 5 by 2.
5 by 4. Correct? Getting my point?
4, sir. 5 by 4. Yeah, sir.
Sorry?
Yeah, sir.
Yes. Very simple, right? How many have you got till this?
I got.
Very
Sir,
good.
I
myself.
got, sir.
Yuktasri is joining. Let me admit her. No problem, Balaji. Look at this here. Okay, what he is asking us to find, we have to find out how. What do you have to find out? 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. Okay. So beta, look at this. What is LCM of alpha beta gamma? Alpha beta gamma is LCM. So alpha beta gamma is LCM, right? So here what are the terms missing? Beta gamma is missing. So beta gamma. Here what are the terms missing? Alpha beta. Sorry, alpha gamma. Right? What are the terms missing here? Alpha beta. Correct? Now the
Yes.
numerator is what? Sum of the product of the 2 roots at a time. So that is minus 1 by 2. I got here minus 1 by 2. All divided by product of the roots is what? 5 by 4. Now solving this here, minus 1 by 2. So
2 by 5.
minus 1 by 2 into, it will be reciprocaling 4 by 5. So 2 ones, sorry, 2 ones, 2 twos, minus
2 by 5.
option C is correct here.
Sir, must finish for the question. Thank you, sir.
Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
Sir, once can you come down?
Next question, shall we go further?
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Understood, Balaji? Akshara, understood, Akshara?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Understood or not?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Very good. Next. Guys, look at this. If 1 0 of the polynomial, 1 0 of the polynomial k square plus 25 into x square plus 30x plus 10k is a reciprocal of the other. Reciprocal of the other. Then k is equal to dash. Option A 5, option B 7, option C 9, option D 2. Yes, Yukta, please. What is the answer? Time up.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in this type of question, sir, when we are finding the value of k, how we can means the checking process will be no, sir. How we can check, sir, that is the correct answer or wrong answer?
Yes. That is the
If
question.
division means we have the process, the dividend is equal to divisor into question plus remainder. For this, what?
Yes, that is a trick. I'll tell you.
Okay. Sir.
Akshara gave the answer. Vivek gave the answer. Very good. Akshara, how did you solve it? Can you tell me?
Sir, no, sir. Like, sir, I solved it, but I don't know if I can tell it. Like, how I did it.
No problem. No, you feel free to tell. Even it's a wrong, no problem. Tell me, how did you solve? Let me see whether you approach in a correct way or not. If it is not correct, I'll correct it. No problem.
Sir, I didn't find the value of k, sir. I just went like alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a and alpha beta is equal to c by a. And then I did some little calculations and I got the reminder as, the denominator is 5. So I thought it would be 5, so I said 5.
Okay, no problem. Let's check.
Sir, can you see the question?
Okay. No problem. Very simple question. Tell me, make it fast. Solve it. No time pass, please. I give more than enough time. If you do not know, put a message called IDK in the chat box. Sharan, no problem. Shreyan, no problem. Harini, no problem. No problem. Bhumika, Yukta, no problem. Oh, sir, I'm going outside. Okay, Aditi. Solve this question. Look at this, a very simple question. Look at this. So how can I solve this? One zero of this polynomial. Let's say this is a polynomial p of x. 25x square plus 30x plus 10k is reciprocal. 10 of this polynomial is reciprocal of the other one. So what are the zeros I should take now? If let the zeros or roots are like alpha and 1 by alpha, correct? Can I take like that? Yes. So now summation of the roots is what? 1 plus 1 by alpha. What is summation of the roots? Sum of the roots. Minus b by a, right? Minus b by a is nothing but minus 30 by a. What is a? This is a, correct? What is product of the roots?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So once again, can you repeat how did we get roots as alpha and 1 by alpha?
See what he has given 1 0. 1 0 is nothing but 0 is nothing but what here? Root. 1 0
Hmm.
of the polynomial. This polynomial is reciprocal of the other. So if I take 1 0 as alpha, another root, another 0 will be 1 by alpha only, right? He only given the reciprocal
Yes,
of the other one. Correct?
yes, sir.
He
1 by
only
alpha.
given that
Yes,
1 by alpha. So that is how we got that. Okay. So now I'm just taking sum of the roots,
yes, sir.
product of the roots. So product of the roots formula is what? C by A. See, since it is a quadratic equation, formula summation of the roots will be minus b by a, product of the roots will be c by a. So now c by a is nothing but what? C is 10, k by a is what? Okay. So this is what I got. Now look at this here. That is how I just wrote here. Okay, now taking LCM here, alpha into alpha, alpha square plus 1 divided by alpha is equal to minus 30 by k square plus 25. I do not know k value, right? Yes. But if you look at here, alpha, alpha, you can cancel beta. So 10k by k square plus 25 is equal to 1. Now, what I'm going to do here, very simple. Look at this. Let me just create some space. Oh my goodness. Now look at this cross multiplying here. 10k is equal 1 into k square into 25, correct? So k square plus 25 minus 10k is equal to 0, or else you write like this: k square minus 10k plus 25 is equal to 0. Can I write happily? Yes. Now look at this. This can be written as what? Factorization. Minus 5k plus 25 is equal to 0. K taken as common, minus 5 common, k minus 5 is equal to 0. K is equal to 5, isn't it? Or else if you don't understand, let me take k minus 5 common again. So k minus 5 is equal to 0. K is equal to 5 and k is equal to 5. Okay, understood my point? Now this k value I got, which is 5. That is my answer. Check kar lo. Is asking for k value. Now there is no point of doing summation of the roots here. We don't even have a use of doing this. Okay, for your understanding purpose I told, but we have a use of product of the roots. Look at this here. If I perform product of the roots, if I perform with product of the roots, it is giving me k value happily. Correct? Understood my point?
Yes, sir.
Oh my goodness, Ujjwal. Why is alpha? Okay, Ujjwal, very good, beta, very good, very good. Thanks for asking like that. Ujjwal, what you do is, beta, in 9th standard, you didn't learn alpha. What is alpha and all?
No, sir.
No problem. I'll help you. See here, alpha is nothing, but you can take, see, why we are taking alpha here. In place of alpha, you can take anything, beta. Look at this. Let me take roots as x and 1 by x. No problem. 1 0 is nothing but what, beta? 0 is nothing but 1 root here. Okay. 0 is nothing but root of this one.
Okay.
So your homework is what today, Ujjwal and Balaji, what you have to do? Both of you guys have to go and watch the recordings of polynomials lecture 1 and 2. Okay.
Sir, when you start polynomial
No. I already started
date.
data. I'll show it to you once. If you open the, let me show you 1 second. If you open that, if you go to our channel, it's taking a bit time. Just a minute. Yes, look at this here. If you go to playlist, beta. If you go to playlist here, class 10th. Can you see here? Class 10th mathematics 2022, 2023. Can you see here?
Yes, sir.
Just open that. Okay. After opening that, 1 second. After opening that, look at this here. First, we started the differentiation. Need not to go through that. See, if you didn't go through quadratic lecture 1, 2, 3, 4, I have. After that, real numbers 1, 2, 3, we have. Look at this. We didn't. We did go. We just gone through real numbers and all. Look at this here. Polynomial 28th April I started. Polynomial lecture 1 recording. Okay. After that question paper discussion, you need not to go through question paper. So if you want to go through that, you go after finishing lectures. Understood my
Okay,
point?
sir. Yes, sir.
Polynomial lecture 1 recording here. Polynomial lecture 2 is missing beta. Why? Because that day there was a technical issue, I couldn't record. I'm sure with the lecture 1 itself you get all the basics. In lecture 2 I taught sums, questions we solved. The questions
Okay,
whichever
sir.
we are solving in today's class, similar type of question I solved in lecture 2. So lecture 2 is missing. So after that you may go through this QP discussion. QP discussion regarding is nothing but question paper discussion. What type of
Okay,
question
sir.
paper is that? The question paper is weekend test paper beta. Okay, that is weekend test paper.
Sir, we will conduct daily weekend test, sir.
Not daily weekend. We conduct every weekend. Every Sunday you will be having test. So that question paper would be discussed on either
Okay,
Monday
sir.
or Tuesday. Okay. So polynomial lecture 4.
Okay, sir.
Polynomial lecture 4. Look at this here, lecture 4. Now today's is lecture 5. Understood my point? So go through all this. This is your
Yes, sir.
homework today. First of all, if you're not going to
Okay, sir.
go through lecture 1 today. Balaji and Ujjwal. Okay. This is what your homework which I can give you today. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Got
Thank
it?
you, sir.
Very good. Chalo. Now look at this here. This is what I'm taking. Better you can take X, Y, anything you can take. I'm taking alpha. Why? Because most of the books will be written with alpha. That is the reason we are going with alpha only. Okay. No problem.
Okay,
Now
sir.
in the question also he has given alpha only. Check. If alpha and beta are the, now next question beta. If alpha and beta are the roots of this equation, then the equation whose roots are this and this is dash. Is what?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes. Who is that?
Sir, it's Akshara. Sir, in the earlier question, can't we take minus 30 by k square plus 25?
Minus 10k.
No, sir.
Yes. Very good doubt. Look at this here.
Like
How?
we took minus 10k, I mean 10k, right? Can't we take minus?
No. I understood your doubt. Look at this here. You are asking, why can't we solve with this? You are asking. That is your question, right?
Yes.
But look at the question here. This is what the smart work. Okay. Very good. Look at this here. We have to find out k value. Correct. What is our aim here? What is our ultimate aim here? To find out the value of k. Correct. Our ultimate aim
Yes,
is to
sir.
find out the value of k, right? Yes. Now better look at this here. This is sum of the roots. This is sum of the roots. This is product of the roots. Correct. If I go with sum of the roots, better look at this here. If I take LCM here, alpha into alpha square plus 1 divided by alpha, I'm getting. Okay. This as it is, I'm writing. Now better here, after this, what will you do? You have alpha here, you have k here. You have two unknown variables here. I don't even know what is alpha. I don't even know what is k value here. Then how come you find out k value, beta? Understood my point? You have two unknown variables. They are alpha and k value. Now here, why I took this? For that reason is product of the roots. Here one getting cancelled happily. So one get, alpha and alpha will get cancelled happily. You left with 1 here. Okay. This as it is I wrote here. Now everything became into one variable. Look at this. You have any other variable other than k? We don't have.
No, sir.
Only k variable we have here. So if you have other than one variable, if you have alpha and beta, alpha and k, if you have something like that, and if you get asked to find out one of the variable, then it is not possible from this case beta. So you must convert entire thing into one variable, then you find out. Then you can find out very easily. Understood my point?
Yes, sir, got it.
Yes. So here alpha and k value I have here. I don't know what is alpha. If I know what is alpha, then you can substitute alpha here. Then you find out. Nothing wrong with that. But you don't know alpha. What is alpha, right? Alpha value. That is the reason, beta. Okay. Okay. Getting my
Got it, sir.
yes. Very good. Next question. Alpha and beta are the roots. Alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. Then the equation whose roots are this and this. Better look at this here. Whenever Balaji and Ujjwal, look at the class. I mean, look at the screen carefully. So whenever you get asked this type of questions, alpha and beta are the roots of this quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. Hope you all know this. Yes.
Yes.
This is a quadratic equation. Degree. The degree is what? 2. So if degree is 2, it will be having 2 roots. If degree is 3, it will be having 3 roots. If degree is n, it will be having n roots. Okay, so it is degree 2, so it is having 2 roots. He has given roots and quadratic equation. Okay, but he has then the equation, we have to find out the equation which are having this and this as a roots. For this type of question, beta, the formula is x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. Now x square minus sum of the roots is what, beta? Here sum. What are the roots I have here? 2 alpha plus 3 beta plus 3 alpha plus 2 beta. My into x, in fact, plus product of the roots 2 alpha plus 3 beta into 3 alpha plus 2 beta is equal to 0. I'm not getting answer from anyone. No one has got the answer.
Sir, solving.
No.
Sir, 1 second.
Till you're solving.
Yeah, so 1 second.
Sir, didn't.
Now look at this here. Okay, sir, now I have a doubt here. But look at this here. He has given alpha and beta are the roots of this, right? So first of all, from the given condition, what is alpha plus beta? Minus b by a. Minus b is nothing but minus b is minus as it is, beta. B is what? Minus 5 here by a. What is a here? 2, which is 5 by 2. Alpha beta is what? C by a. What is C here? Minus 7 by a. What is a here? 2. So minus 7 by 2 I got. Okay, I wrote again. Why I'm writing again? Yes. This is product of the roots. This is sum of the roots. I mean alpha plus beta I got, alpha beta I got. I'll be taking and substituting here. That's it. Now x square minus here alpha, 2 alpha plus 2, 3 alpha, 5 alpha plus 3 alpha plus 2 alpha. How much? 5 beta. Sorry. 3 beta plus 2 beta into x plus here multiplying this beta, this into this. So 6 alpha square plus 4 alpha beta plus 9 alpha beta plus 6 beta square. Okay, so x square minus taking 5 common here. If I take 5 common, alpha plus beta into x plus now here 6 alpha square plus 6 beta square. I can take 6 common. So alpha square plus beta square. Correct? Plus now look at it. This plus this, how much beta? 13 alpha beta is equal to 0. Yes, it has somewhat big calculation, but very simple question. Okay. Now look at this here. All x square minus 5 times of alpha plus beta into x plus 6 into alpha square plus beta square formula is what? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 times of alpha beta plus 13 times of alpha beta here. Oh my goodness, it is looking like beta here, beta. This is 13. Okay. Okay, this is 13. Okay, now look at this here. Now I know the value of alpha plus beta. I know the value of alpha beta. Just substitute there. Alpha plus beta, what I got, beta? Alpha plus beta, what I got?
5 by 2.
5 by 2 into x plus 6 into alpha plus beta, 5 by 2 I got whole square minus 2 times of alpha beta minus 7 by 2. See, yes, in fact, I understand. I do understand the calculation is somewhat lengthy. And while making calculation, you have to be so careful with the plus, minus, everything. Okay, minus 7 by 2 here. Okay, this is what I just substituted. I got this step. Okay, yes. Now look at it, x square as it is, beta. Now 25 by 2 into x plus 6 into 5 square is 25, 2 square is 4. Minus into minus plus, so 14 by 2, or else 2 will get cancelled. 2 will get cancelled. Oh my goodness, became clumsy. 1 second. 2 will get cancelled here. What you left with here? Plus 7, correct? Plus 7 minus 91 by 2. 13 sevens is 91. Am I correct? Yes. Now, beta, what is the LCM here? What is the LCM? 4 is the LCM, correct? 4x square minus 50x. So plus 25 into 6. How much, beta? 25 into 6 is 150 plus 4 sevens 28 minus 91 into 2. How much, beta? 182. Correct? Any mistake? Check kar lo. 4x square minus 50x plus adding all this plus this, how much? 178. 178 minus 182 minus 4, correct? Minus 4 is equal to 0. This 4 will go and multiply with 0. That will become 0. Now 4x square minus 50x. 4x square minus 50x. So you can take common beta here. 2, can I take 2 common? So 2x square minus 1 second 25x minus 2 is equal to 0.
Sir, but we are not doing them.
Yes, you can. Yes, no problem. You can just, anything is fine. Look at it, you can divide it the 2 on both sides. That is also correct. Shifting to that side. So 2x square minus 25x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the answer. Which of the following option is correct? 2x square minus 25x minus 20. Oh, 2x square minus 25x plus 68.
So C1 is plus or minus 68 in every option, sir.
No. Option, no. 2 options are minus 68, 2 options are plus 68. No, is there any calculation mistake we make? Check kar lo. Check one.
Sir, I'm getting 2x square plus 25x minus 100.
You are getting how much? Then options might be wrong, beta. What you are getting? Now once again we'll check, no problem. Guys, check any, is there any calculation mistake? Anywhere you got, even you got the same answer? Kavya?
No, sir, I got different answer.
5 into 5 by 2, 5 by 2 square. One second. Is there
I
any?
think no mistake.
Yes. Even I'm just cross checking. 1 second. There is no mistake, but options are not matching. 1 second. Yes. LCM is 4 only. 4x square. 50x. 150. 20. Yes. Correct. 50. Because I don't think so, beta. This is the correct option. Yes. 2x square minus 25x. Option C. As per that, beta, option D should be
A and
B and D will be deleted. Either A or C will be the option. But here minus plus 68, you have here minus 68. But our constant values, we are getting different beta. So we are getting minus 2 here. So it should be, I think, option C or A. Yeah, I think, yeah, here option minus 68. I check minus 68 where we are getting constant term. Please, constant term kahan mistake hoga hai, dekho.
no, sir, we are like I checked twice. I'm not getting anywhere then.
Yeah, minus, you are getting even you are getting 2 minus 2.
Yes, sir, minus 2 I'm getting.
Sir, once can you go on, sir?
Yes, please. See, calculation, please make it properly, beta. Make it properly. That's presence of mind. Everything is correct here, but the only thing, yeah, I feel it's
Sir,
correct.
must scroll down, sir, to the next.
Make it fast. Next question. I'll give one more this type of question, beta. Shall I give?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please do calculate that. If you find out 68.
Sir, one question, sir. Sir, the previous question, the LCM is 2, right? Like when you simplify 5 by.
Which one? This one?
Yes, sir. Can you go down? So like when we simplify 5 by 2 whole square into 6, we will get 2, right? So the LCM will be 2.
Oh my goodness. Acha, we didn't, the
But-
6 is for whole actually. This 6 is for whole, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that 6 is for whole. That is the mistake we made. Yes. Then it will be 42. Yes, we will be getting that beta. I think no way, no. We only made a mistake. We only made a mistake. Here, we didn't write 6
25
for whole. Yes, yes. So 25 by 1 second, let me write. Yes. So x square, so nothing but 4x square minus 25, no, 50x. So here how much?
24, 150,
150 plus 40,
168.
42 force 168. Yes. Minus 182 is equal to 0. Yes, you will get it now. By 4. Yes, you will get it beta. Constant term एक ही गलत था. So how much here? 318. 318 minus this one. 120. 136. 136, correct? Plus 136. 300, 368, 318. 318 minus 182 beta. How much? 6. Yes, 13. Correct? Am I correct? Yes. 136. So now 2x taking 2 common minus 25x plus 68 is equal to 0. Option plus 68. Plus 68 is nothing but option A is correct, beta. Option A is correct.
Yes.
Option A is correct. Okay. Next question. I'll give one more question like this. You must habituate for solving this type of questions, beta. Next question. If alpha and beta, Bhumika, are you able to understand Bhumika,
So once
Akshara?
scroll up, sir. So once can you scroll up?
Yes, 1 second.
Yes, I'm able to.
What about Akshara?
Sure, yes, sir. Sir, I know.
Any doubt, Akshara?
No, sir.
Yes, yes, Harini, what is the problem? What was the problem? Yes, tell me.
No, sir. I just want to see the step. 1 minute.
I just wrote directly beta here. Look at this. If you want, I just wrote directly here. So first of all, you multiply here
What?
150 plus 42. Okay, by 4, by 1. Then you take LCM. Okay, I wrote directly. LCM and all, you know that, right? Yes. Next question. Same type of question, no change at all. So, but calculation. So for making perfect in calculation, I'm just giving you this type of question. One more question. So let's see how many of you will make this. Ujjwal and Balaji, are you able to understand Balaji, Ujjwal?
Yes, sir.
What is the formula? The formula is what? Look at this here. Alpha and beta are the roots of this one, and he has given roots here, beta. This one root, another root. Whenever he has given you roots and asking you to find out quadratic equation, then always the formula is what? X square minus alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is nothing but sum. But basically, let me write sum of the roots. Sum of the roots into x plus product. is equal to 0. This is a formula. Okay. First of all, find out what is alpha plus beta minus b by a. So 3 by 2. Correct. Alpha beta is what? C by a. So 1 by 2. Okay. This is what the two results I got. Next. So roots are given to you. X square here sum. What is sum beta? Alpha by 2 beta plus 1 root plus another root. What is another root? Beta by 2 alpha plus 3 into x plus product. What is product? Alpha by 2 beta plus 3 into beta by 2 alpha plus 3 is equal to 0. Correct? Understood? Beta, look at it. Sum is nothing but what? This is one root, another root. Adding them, that is sum. Product is nothing but multiplying them two. Multiplying these two roots. Hope you got the point. Yes. So first of all, tell me what is LCM here? What is LCM? 2 alpha plus 3 into 2 beta plus 3. Correct? This is LCM beta. Getting my point? Hello, are you all listening the class?
Yes.
Nitya,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Modita, Ujjwal,
Yes, sir.
Shreyan, Kavya, Harini,
Yes, sir.
Tanya, Balaji, Bhargav, Akshara.
Yes, sir.
Are you all listening the class?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes,
Now
sir.
look at it.
Yes, sir.
This is LCM beta here. So now what after taking LCM is what? X square into 2 alpha plus 3 into 2 beta plus 3. My goodness, this is not looking like beta, it is looking like 13. Okay. So the x square into this I got minus now alpha into beta into x as it is. Why? Because I have to multiply with 1 for making that balance. Correct. Now here also alpha plus beta, sorry, alpha into beta is equal to 0. Correct. Any doubts? Any doubts, children?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Very simple. So x square into, look at it here, this into this 4 alpha beta, again this into this plus 6 alpha, now this into this 6 beta, now this into this, which is 9. Correct. Minus alpha beta into x plus alpha beta. Okay, in fact this one. Now shifting this guy to the right hand side becomes 0 only. Need not write the denominator again and again. Correct. Hope you got the point, everyone. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now x square as it is beta. Now 4 alpha beta I'm writing as it is, taking 6 common from these two. Okay, that becomes alpha plus beta plus 9 minus alpha beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So alpha plus beta value 3 by 2, alpha beta 1 by 2. Plus 6 into alpha plus beta is what? 3 by 2 plus 9 minus alpha beta is what? 3 by 2 alpha beta 3 by 2, right? Yes. So alpha beta is 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. So x square into 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 ones, 2 threes. So 2 into 1, 2, 3 threes 9 plus 9 minus 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Correct. So now 18. So 20x square minus x by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. LCM is 2. So 40x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the answer. 40x square minus x plus 1. 40x square minus x. Oh, again we made a mistake. Where is that? Option is not matching. 40x square plus 1. Okay. Everywhere you have plus 1. Yes, where is that? Check. Alpha beta 1 by 2, 6 into alpha plus beta 3 by 2.
Sir, why did you take 20x square, sir?
Where? No, I just
Why did you 20x square?
no, this process, this fully gave me 20 value 20 alpha beta 1 by 2 alpha beta 1 by 2 only, right? 3 by 2. Yes, this is 3 by 2. 9 as it is I wrote. 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 ones, 2 threes.
Sir, but how did you get alpha plus beta as alpha beta, sir?
Where?
Same steps, sir. How did you get alpha plus beta as alpha beta? It should be minus alpha plus beta x, right?
Which one? I didn't get you. Where you are talking
Sir,
about this stuff?
so the equation, sir, it should be in the sum of the roots, right? You wrote minus alpha beta x.
Oh, here product of you're talking about x. This one?
No, so like sum of roots. Yeah, so like x
Yes,
term.
it is
The
alpha plus
coefficient
beta.
of x.
I wrote product. Yes.
Yeah, sir.
Yes. Look at this here. Yes, if we wrote 1 plus wrong, then everything gone wrong. Yes, everything was correct. Here, alpha plus beta bus. One value will be changing here. That's it. So then alpha plus beta here. So 3 by 2 into x, 3 by 2. So 3 here. Yes, minus.
So like it should be sum of the roots, right? Like not only alpha plus beta x.
Okay. Okay, then it will be changing. 1 second. Then value fully will be changing here. Okay, 1 second. Yes. Now cross multiply here. Alpha into 2 alpha plus 3 plus beta into 2 beta plus 3. Right? Into x. Plus
And sir, one more question, sir. How did you get coefficient for x square?
alpha beta is equal to 0. Where?
How did you get coefficient for x square, sir?
This 20.
Sir,
The 20 you're talking about?
yes, sir.
Yes. This gave me 20. So 1 second. I think somewhere we made a plus or minus mistake. That is the problem. No problem. 1 second. Let me take this away. Let me erase this. Then we'll write it. Okay. Now look at this. A multiply. It's a multiply karo either. 2 alpha square plus 3 alpha plus 2 beta square plus 3 beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So 2 alpha square. Yes. Again, better look at it. 2 alpha square. 2 common. Alpha square plus beta square. I'm writing somewhat fast. Alpha square plus beta square plus 3 common. Then alpha beta 1 to x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Okay. Yes. Now. Okay. Let me just write somewhat here. Let us occupy some space. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Now look at this here. X square. So alpha beta how much? Let us write full one more step. Then we'll write it. 6 into alpha plus beta plus 9 minus 2 times of alpha square plus beta square. What is the formula? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 times of alpha beta. Okay, so this is what we got, plus 3 times of alpha beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So now x square 4 alpha beta is nothing but 4 into 1 by 2 plus 6 into 3 by 2 plus 9 bracket close minus 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 by 2 whole square minus 2 times of 1 by 2. Okay, plus 3 times of 3 by 2 into x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Correct? This fully should be in one bracket. Okay, correct? Yes. Now x 4 ones, 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 ones, 2 threes, x square 2 3 3 is 9 plus 9 minus, now here 2 into 3 square is 9 by 4 minus 2 will get cancelled 1 plus 9 by 2 into x plus 1 by 2 is equal 0. Any doubts till this? So here 20x
Good, sir.
square 20x square minus 2 ones 2 twos again. No, 1 second. Oh, this 2 is for full beta. Okay, this 2 is for 1 also. Very careful here. Making brackets looks very easy, but you have to 18 by 4 minus 2 plus 9 by 2 into x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Correct? So 20x square minus how much? Minus 8. So 10 by 4 plus 9 by 2 into x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. So LCM is 4. So 80x square. So 10 plus 18 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Isn't it? 80x square plus 28x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is what I got. Yes. So 40x square plus 14x plus 1 is equal to 0 after taking 2 common. Okay. 40x square plus 14x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the answer. All the plus. All plus available in the D option. Correct? Oh, option B is also matching, but option B is also matching. Then option B, I think I wrote wrongly. Here option B may, yes, here -1. Yes, option D is only correct. Any doubts? Any doubts? थोड़ा calculation बहुत बड़ा है. Calculation थोड़ा बड़ा है, मगर calculation like you have to solve with proper way. Definitely you will get patience. That's it. Correct? Here we made a mistake. But look at this here. We while taking
Yes,
LCM, we have to cross multiply. Then you will get this step. We were missing with this. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. This is option D is correct. Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
Balaji. Okay. Okay, children. So this is what the questions are like. This type of questions only you have to solve better, so that only you can improve your calculations. Okay, Harini got the point. Harini ji got the.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Got it.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, Ujjwal.
Sir, why is alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 2?
Where is that? Which question you are talking about?
Sir, the previous question, you said alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 2.
I didn't say alpha plus beta is 1 by 2. I said alpha plus
Sir,
beta is
left
3 by
side.
2. 3 by 2.
3 by 2. Okay,
Ah.
alpha into beta is 1 by 2.
Why? Because there is a formula for some of the roots. Okay. So alpha and beta are the roots of a quadratic equation. Can you see the screen? Yes. If alpha and beta are the roots of a
Yes.
quadratic equation called ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Alpha summation of the roots is alpha plus beta. For that, minus b by a is a formula. Product of the roots is alpha beta, which is c by a formula. By using this formula, I just wrote that. How we got that formula? Everything I have explained in a detailed manner in a quadratic equations. So you go through polynomials first. First of all, you may go through quadratic first, then you come for polynomials. In quadratic, I just explained everything. So from that, you can understand in a well manner. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Minus b by a beta. What is b here? What is b here? Look at, isn't it looking like quadratic equation now? Isn't it looking
Yes,
like ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0?
B equal to 0.
What is a
Yes.
value here? 2. B value is what?
2.
Minus 3. C value is 1.
Minus 3.
So minus b by a. So minus
1.
minus into minus plus. So 3 by 2 like that I wrote.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Got it.
Hope you got the point. So that is
Yes,
how we
sir. So
just
the
go
value
through.
of alpha and beta A alpha into beta and alpha plus beta will change with the respective equation.
With respect to the equation, with respect to the value of ABC as well. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. You go through the quadratic equations, you will definitely understand in a much better way. All right. Thank you, children. So let's make a move now. I took 20 minutes extra. Sorry, I thought of taking 10 to 15 minutes extra. I took extra time. Thank you for your patience. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Balaji and
Thank you.
Ujjwal, please go
Thank you
through the
so much.
lectures and come. Okay. Thank you, children.
Okay.
Bye.